In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add overlays in Figma, a crucial skill in enhancing your design work. Let's start by opening Figma, which is known for being a collaborative interface design tool. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the login prompt to access your workspace. Once logged in, you should be taken directly to your Figma home. This is where all your projects, files, and teams are neatly organized for convenient access. Focus now on the design option. You'll click there to get started on a specific project or to begin a new design. After entering the design phase, the next step is to select the element you want to transform into an interactive component. This component will later serve as your overlay. To select your element, simply click on it. Following this, you need to right-click on your chosen element and select Create Component from the drop-down menu. By doing so, Figma wraps these objects into a reusable component, making it easier to manage across different frames and pages in your project. Moving forward, to add interactivity to our component, you'll want to engage with Figma's prototyping tools. Do this by selecting Prototype from the top of the toolbar. This opens up a world of possibilities for making your designs interactive and user-friendly. Click on Interaction next. Interactions allow you to define how your component will behave in response to user inputs like clicks or hovers. Use this opportunity to determine the trigger for your overlay. Next comes the action. You'll need to click on the Action drop-down menu. Within this area, your main task is to designate what exactly will happen when the chosen interaction is triggered. You might have several options at your disposal, but to proceed with adding an overlay, you'll select the action labeled as Overlay. Now you've effectively linked your component through an interaction and action to serve as an overlay. This means that your design is set up so when your specified interaction takes place, your overlay will appear as intended. Congratulations! You've successfully added an overlay to your design in Figma. This skill not only adds a layer of professionalism to your design work, but also enhances the user experience by making your designs more dynamic and interactive. Feel free to experiment with different interactions and styles to see how you can creatively use overlays to your advantage. Once you get the hang of it, overlays will become second nature in your design process, making your work in Figma even more powerful and compelling. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.